From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This question simply tests our knowledge of mean. It says the mean of 3, 5, 3x and 2 is 4. Find the value of x. You want to recall the formula for finding mean. It says mean is the summation of the values called x over how many values are in there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 values, so the mean will be 3 plus 5 plus 3x plus 2 over 4. We are told that the mean is 4. This will give us 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3x over 4. 4 times 4 is 16. This 10 plus 3x. We subtract 10 from both sides. We have 16 minus 10. If we subtract 10 here, we are left with 3x. And this is 6 equals 3x. And if we divide both sides by 3, because we are looking for x, we get that our x is simply 2, and that is A. Thank you for watching.